Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. On my channel you will find tons of whole food plant-based recipes, and most of them are no oil and they are gluten-free. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be making potato veggie lasagna. So instead of noodles, I'm going to be using potatoes. So we're going to give this one a try. And we're going to have lots of veggies, and it's going to be super nutritious and super easy. So let's get started. We're going to start off with a little onion and garlic. I've got some water in this pan. I'm not using oil in this recipe. And we're going to add 2-3 cloves of garlic. And then we'll add some chopped onion, and we'll just let this saute for a few minutes till the onions get soft. To this, I'm going to add our veggies. And what I have is red pepper, zucchini, yellow squash, mushroom, and carrot. And we will saute these for a few minutes till they get a little bit soft. I'm going to add some spices to this. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, some parsley, and some red pepper flakes, and some salt. We will just let these saute up for a bit. As I said, we're going to be using potatoes as our base. So I'm going to be using leftover baked potatoes that I'm just going to slice up. And it's a good use of if you have a bunch of baked potatoes left over, which I always have a ton of baked potatoes in my fridge. So these have been going for about 5 minutes, and I think that's plenty. You don't want them to cook all the way through because they're going to finish cooking in the oven. So we're going to turn these off and transfer these to a bowl, and then we're going to put our lasagna together. Alright, so I started with a layer of sauce, and I'm just using jarred sauce. I sliced my potatoes, and now I have a layer of potatoes. I'm going to let you get a closer look so you can see exactly how the layers are going to go. So to this layer of potatoes, I'm going to add some veggies. I'm going to add half this just over the top. Spread that around. Then we're going to add some of my homemade ricotta. I will link to this recipe so you can make it. It's very easy. It's cashews and tofu, spinach, some spices, lemon. So we're just going to go in with the ricotta. And be generous. Okay. Then we'll just do another layer of potatoes. Actually, we're going to do sauce. I changed my mind. So a layer of sauce. And then a layer of potatoes. Oh, yum. Move this out of the way. I'll slice some more potatoes. And I probably cooked these bakers a little bit too long. They're a little bit dry, but so that's why be generous with the sauce, with the ricotta, so you can get some moisture back into these babies. Alright, I'm just going to continue with my layers. So you'll end up, the top layer is potatoes, and then you put more sauce on, and then I've got also my plant-based cheese that I'm going to pour over the top. I'll link to this recipe as well. And then we're just going to bake this in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. and then we'll be ready to taste. So this baked for about 30 minutes, 400-degree oven. I let it cool for about 15 minutes, and now we're gonna cut it and give it a taste. Looks pretty hearty, held together pretty good. That's why it's very important to let it cool for about 15 minutes, otherwise it's just gonna fall apart. So let's give this a taste. Get some of that ricotta in there, those veggies. Mmm. Very, very good. Mmm. 1 minute. First of all, it's made with potatoes, so you can't go wrong. It is delicious, super hearty. Using those baked potatoes made it so easy. Make sure you use plenty of sauce because they, like I said, they were a little bit dry. These are totally moist, delicious. All those flavors blend so well together. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.